Good morning. Good morning to one and all. I welcome Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu. I welcome Honorable Ministers, Shri Peddireddy Ramchandra Reddy Garu, Shri Mekapati Gautam Reddy Garu, Shri Vellampalli Srinivas Rao Garu, Shri Kodali Venkateswara Rao Garu, Shri Penni Venkatramaya Garu, Kurusula Kannababu Garu, Honorable Members of Parliament, MLAs, MLCs, Padma Shri B.V.R. Mohan Reddy Garu, Joint Secretary Government of India Suresh Kumar Garu, Special Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, leaders from industry and export houses, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to address you all at this exemplary event taking place after almost a gap of 2 years in this format. Vanijya Utsavam 2021 as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav commencing the 75th year of Indian independence. This event, that is Vanijya Utsavam, is being organized at the state level for the next 2 days and at the district level during the week. Through this event, we wish to give an overview on the state government's vision for industrial progress. The state government is investing in infrastructure to attract investments and spur growth. Infrastructure, industry, trade form an interdependent chain of cause and effect. Superior infrastructure attracts investments and spur trade. Further, increased trade would also signal positive atmosphere and attract investments. This positive reinforcement would again culminate into increased spending on infrastructure, thus locking in a virtuous growth cycle. Another goal of the event is to serve the needs of exporters and aspiring entrepreneurs. We have designed various sessions, experience areas, and product exhibitions to give a bird's eye view on the opportunities and necessary process for exports in Andhra Pradesh. We also have representatives from several export outfits, councils, industry associations who can help the prospective exporters to understand their sector of interest. Tomorrow we have an interaction with Indian missions abroad to give a flavor on the opportunities available in various countries abroad. This will be followed by a sector-specific mission on medical technology in Andhra Pradesh. We are also having an award ceremony felicitating exporters and industry champions contributing to the state economy. As we have just seen in this short film, the advantages Andhra Pradesh has: a land blessed by 2 rivers and a long coastline. As you are aware, the state of Andhra Pradesh is a geographically advantageous location, giving access to huge Indian market and connecting to Southeast Asian markets. We are well connected by road, rail and airports. The government is investing on infrastructure to unlock efficiencies and enhance opportunity. Andhra Pradesh is blessed with abundant mineral resources, agriculture base and surplus electricity. The state has a good industrial base in pharma, electronics, food processing, textiles and automotive set up over several decades. The state has been bagged with 19 GI tags, including Guntur chili, Kalam kari saris, Banganpalli mangoes, Araku coffee, Kondapalli toys, and Bobili veena. The government under the leadership of our Honorable CM, Shri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu, is focused on to reduce the cost of doing business and risk of doing business, so that the state of AP becomes a globally competitive destination for trade, investment and commerce. We are also undertaking reform across the departments for eliminating and reducing the compliances which have an adverse impact on time and cost of business. 372 burdensome compliances have been identified, of which 288 burdensome compliances have been reduced, and another 33 burdensome compliances related to state acts would be repealed or amended in coming days. Andhra Pradesh has skilled manpower with over 500 plus ITIs, 300 plus polytechnic colleges, 450 plus engineering colleges, about 400 management institutions, 100 plus pharmacy colleges. Skill development is one of the main focus areas of this government. We are establishing 30 skill colleges with an investment of almost over 1,300 crores and industry linkages to train and make the students industry ready. As you heard our Minister for Industry saying, come and grow with us. So please come to the land of AP, the land of two rivers, Godavari, Krishna and long coastline. Come, do business and grow with us. Thank you.